Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be installing a Rexing V1P dash cam into my truck. Let's begin. Alright, well let's see what's in this bad boy. I'll cut the sticker right here. And we should be able to pop the whole box out. We have a quick start guide. We got the dash cam. We have all the cables and clips and stickers. We have a tool. And we have the rear camera. This will go on the back window of the truck. And also, I bought a memory card ahead of time that we would put in. It's 128 gigs. So just go ahead and pop that in right quick. Now we're ready to install. Alright guys, I'm going to put my camera right about here where it's center. So right about here where it's center. I do have it on, that way I can see the exact positioning of the camera. We'll go ahead and peel off the sticker. Set that off to the side, and then we'll get it aligned using the camera. We'll press that on pretty good, and hopefully it'll stick. We'll pull this down a little bit, and then the back camera. If it'll focus. Back camera's all set up now. Then now we'll do the front. We'll run the wires and then do the front. Alright. Now that we have the camera in place, we will go ahead and move everything out of the way. Sorry about that. And I want to run it along the headliner, through this, and up down the side, all the way to the front, because that's where the initial camera's going. then time for the power. We'll grab the power as well. And we will have to run this a little different. We're gonna have to come up from underneath the dash through, and then we'll run it up with these wires down the side. And then we will be good to go. All right, now that we have it ran, have it pulled up through the dash, we can go ahead and wrap it around these wires. Don't get in the way of the airbag though. Kind of off over here, and whatever slack you pull it up with, don't let it get caught. Just kind of pull it up. And my cam's gonna go right up, just right below the blue. Right next to the mirror. And then you'll just feed all the excess wire back down into the dash. Okay, now you can kind of go ahead and move some of your stuff out of the way and pop this back into place. Just like that. Get your bolts back in. Okay, now you're going to want to hook up your power source up to the camera as well as the rear. And make sure it's plugged in. I'm running this dual 12 volt outlet. It runs constant power. This will shut off when the battery gets to a certain voltage to turn off the camera. Go ahead and plug this in, make sure it's on. And then we'll grab our 3M tape. Pull it off, stick it on.
A little longer than a few minutes later. 346 minutes later.
All right, now we got our. Go ahead and pop that into place, and we'll kind of adjust this to see exactly where we want it. And it looks like we could put it up pretty high, so that's what we'll do. We'll go I'll bring it down just a little bit, that way I can get. Need to take this, if I need to take this off, I can. Just kind of make sure it's straight. Just kind of stick it in place. And looks good to me. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. I'll give you guys an update on the dash cam here in a week or so. Thanks for watching.